Hey, this is Elaine with Sweet Stampin', and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this lovely card with the All About Autumn suite. Here is my Autumn Leaves card using the Autumn Leaves bundle, which is part of the All About Autumn suite. The suite includes this bundle, which has these lovely leaves, sentiments, and die cuts, plus extra die cuts for more leaves, some labels, and some stitching or some dots that you can use for embossing or for adding some texture to your card. We also have this gorgeous 6x6 paper, All About Autumn. If you like it, I highly suggest you get it right away. It has this beautiful copper foil on one side and then these lovely tree and leaf images on the other side, and pumpkin, and then sweater texture. So super, super pretty paper. You also have the speckled dots and the ribbon. I'm going to use some of this thick ribbon on this card, but the copper ribbon is super gorgeous and shiny and pretty and coordinates perfectly. The speckled dots should be back in stock November 13th. There is also this Distress Tile 3D embossing folder, so it's thicker and it embosses deeper, and it's really beautiful. And I'm going to be showing you on another card a technique that you can use to really bring out the embossing. So for this card, I started off with a copper clay base that's 11 by 4 1/4, scored at 5 1/2, and folded in half. Next, I have a 4 by 5 1/4 pretty peacock layer. And then I have some paper. They're both 3 7/8, and the top wood one is 2 1/2 inches tall, and the bottom piece is 3 inches tall. I'm going to layer these on here, and then I'm going to add some of this ribbon, about 5 inches, right across the middle. All right, now that I have the base of the card prepared, I have this second largest stylish shaped circle cut out of Very Vanilla. It measures almost 2 3/4 inches, and I'm going to stamp this sentiment with a grateful heart in copper clay. Now I'm going to add some leaves here. And I'm going to start with this one. These are all cut out of the oxidized paper that is also part of the suite. And I'm just going to use the mini dimensionals to adhere these. I'm going to add some copper twine from the In Color Jute trim, and I'm just going to tie a bow. And then I'm going to add 2 large copper clay speckled dots on the bottom here. And then I'm just going to add some dimensionals on the base of the card so that I'm not touching the ribbon. I want this piece to adhere to the card and not flop around on the ribbon. And there is my Autumn Leaves Grateful Heart card. You can receive my card kit for the All About Autumn class for just $5 shipping when you place a $50 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like the All About Autumn card class.